Hey, Alex. Hope you had a great weekend. Can you get me the budget versus actuals report?
Sure thing, boss. I will work on it right away. Jeez, I always struggle with this. Hopefully I can get it right this month. There is so much data all over the place. Which version should I use for this report? I have a deadline. What am I going to tell my CFO? I really like my job. Man, I really wish there was an easier way to do all this. Why is this report taking so long to open? This looks so complicated. Where do I even begin? Excel formulas all over the place. Why are some of these numbers not correct? I wish there was a better way. I wish I had some help. Workday Adaptive Planning. Oh, wait! I just received an invite to a Revelwood Workday Adaptive Planning webinar. I have to attend today. Maybe Workday Adaptive Planning will help solve my problem.
In today's webinar, we'll take a look at how Workday Adaptive Planning can automate and streamline your planning, reporting, and analytics process.
Thank you, Revelwood, for hosting this webinar. It was great learning about your organization and the solution you offer. I am all in. Revelwood and Workday Adaptive Planning made my life so much easier. It streamlined the whole planning and reporting process, and now all of my data is in one place. For more info about Revelwood and their Workday Adaptive Planning solution, visit www.revelwood.com.